of the most common day-to-day jobs in the body shop are related to quick repairs, also known as spot repairs. This video will provide related information and the best techniques to optimise profitability and productivity in small repairs. Spot repairs are the techniques used when repairing small areas of damage, where the repair is limited to the area with the defect without affecting the entire part. Its function is aimed at increasing efficiency in the repair of small defects by reducing the working time and cost of the repair. The use of spot repair techniques will depend on several aspects, which must be considered beforehand. Spot repair processes allow repairing parts simultaneously, increasing repair productivity. The number of parts to be repaired can be as many as 3 or 4 parts at a time. The spot repair technique should not be used on damage located on horizontally orientated parts, such as roofs, trunks or hoods, as these are highly visible parts where it is more difficult to conceal the repair. We will not be able to use this technique on matte or textured finishes due to the impossibility of polishing these types of surfaces. If the part to repair shows very deep defects in different locations or colorimetry problems, it will be preferable to use other techniques that consider a comprehensive repair process. Let us now look at some examples of highly profitable and productive spot repair processes, classified by type of damage and type of material. This type of damage does not consider the reconstruction of the material. In this process, a complete repair will be performed, applying primer, colour and clear coat. To reduce drying times and optimise product consumption, use a fast drying and excellent sanding filler, such as SINNEK UHS filler, in combination with an extra fast hardener. Then, apply the colour. 1 anchorage coat plus 1 complete solid colour coat, adding 1 effect coat in effect colours. The drying will take place in the booth to reduce drying time of the colour coat. Finally, apply 1.5 coats of fast drying clear coat, such as clear coat CC 1770, in combination with a fast hardener. Another alternative is using sprays. To do this, use a spray-on filler and a refillable spray for the colour. This will allow to significantly reduce repair times, eliminating product preparation and tool cleaning processes, among others. This process has the same steps as the deformation-free damage process, except for the putty application step. Depending on the type of defect, a car putty with excellent filling power, such as light putty PP 1440, will be necessary. In replacement parts, analyse the repair process to be conducted depending on the nature of the part and its location on the vehicle. It is based on the use of WA 6075 underhood water-based resin, specifically designed for repairs of both interior and exterior parts, reproducing the original finish in 1 step. Evaporation time is reduced to 5 minutes. The wet-on-wet filler will be used in this process, allowing the surface to be repainted in 15 to 20 minutes after it is applied, without sanding. As for new plastic parts, first check if the part has a primer coat or not. In the latter case, an adhesion promoter should be applied. In these cases, the professional must identify the type of plastic the part is made of, since this will influence the adhesiveness of certain paints. If the plastic is compatible with the adhesiveness of the filler to be used, applying an adhesion promoter will not be required. If this is not the case, the professional shall apply an adhesion promoter or primer for plastics to optimise the anchorage of the subsequent coats. In this example, as the part is primed, we will follow the same procedure as for a metal part repair. As we have seen, integrating cost-effective products and processes in partial repairs into our work methodology will bring great benefits and advantages to the body shop's profitability.